Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. We're going to be talking about GameStop today. I mean, what a day for GameStop. Again, it kind of started off so slow today. I mean, look at 9:30. We started 31.374, and we keep going at a very steady pace, and we're down 2%. I'm not thinking about anything, but as soon as around 2 p.m., 2:08 p.m., we have this big, massive move within minutes, right? Within 20 to 15 minutes, where we go all the way up to 5%. And 33.43 is where we're at. So we start off at 31.74. The highest was 33.16, and we maintain at 32.82. This is a great sign. This is a sign that the stock is pushing and working itself all the way up to 40. And when we hit 40, 45 is going to come sooner or later. A lot of people are going to take profits there and get out. So 2025 is a year I'm so excited for, and this stock in specific, I'm ready to get rid of. Now, first things first, okay? This is the Reddit Wall Street bets that a lot of people joined back in 2020, 2021, and I want you guys to realize something, okay? GameStop has maintained $31 to $32. If you've been part of GameStop since July, June, August, September, November, October, you know that the stock was struggling to even get up to $31. So this week they have maintained 31 to 32 very well. Keep that in mind, okay? So why was 2020, 2021 so big? Well, the Reddit has a lot of, a lot of to do with that. Okay, Wall Street Bets Reddit had a major impact. Okay, if you go to Wall Street Bets, people up until now, they post their positions, they talk about stocks, and it's so active. Back in 2020 and 2021, this was there was a lot of expectations about GameStop, and GameStop was being talked to a lot of people who had 25,000, 50,000, 52,000, 30,000. They had a lot of position in GameStop, and they were making speculations that the stock was going to squeeze, it was going to short squeeze, they have good cash value, and they were putting a lot of analysis into the short squeeze, which happened to pop. Okay, now DFV was someone who did extreme analysis on GameStop to predict how it would squeeze. There were not only him, if you put him along with 10 more other people that are posting their positions of, let's say, 2,000, that's $20,000 worth of people, quote unquote, retail investors that were investing in the stock, buying the stock and holding it just to see that short term squeeze. Okay. Now, third bullet point, Roaring Kitty had a major impact. If you look at Roaring Kitty's YouTube channel, I highlighted. So if you put that into YouTube, you're going to see somebody with a headband and this super goofy looking guy, right? But he has so much knowledge and so much information on the stock, and the way he built his streams and portfolio and the way he built his videos, it's so informational and so many things you can learn. And he put $50,000 into the stock and turned it to millions some dollars. Okay, so he was consistent with his videos and streams on YouTube. You have to watch these, okay? I'm not saying watch every single minute of these, but watch short clips of it, okay? You can still watch these on his YouTube channel and gain a lot of knowledge, okay? So realize how much this stock had going into the big push, the big short squeeze, okay? You had Wall Street Bets, you had Roaring Kitty, and you had Roaring Kitty's subscribers, you had his viewers that was viewing his page, and they were tapped into the Wall Street bets. A lot of other people formed a community. Until the stock doesn't form a community, this stock is not going to go nowhere. And so far, GameStop I feel like it is forming a community once again. People are believing in it, and they're looking forward to they're looking forward to hold the stock and watch another push again. Okay, the highest I would like to see this go is $50 and sell. Now I have strong speculations it can go to 65, 70. I'm not saying it won't, okay, but you might need to hold it a little longer, and I'm not doing that, okay, specifically because my position is not the best. So anything around 44 and above is a good sell for me personally. Okay, I want to show you guys my position. 37.39. There is no reason in the world I should be not making money if the stock has been up 13% this month. Okay, if the stock is up 13% this month and it's up about 80 to 90% from July to now, and you're not making money in GameStop, okay, you did something wrong. And what you did wrong was you invested at the wrong time. So I realized I invested at the wrong time. So all I need to do is end on a profit and call it a day. Okay, so that goes for anybody. Don't take this as something that's, um I should have been making more money. I should have ended off with more money. Do not regret. Just learn. Okay, end off on a profit. I'm still gonna end off on profit, but what I'll do is I'm not gonna try to hold all the way to 80, 75. Because if the stock comes back to 35, 36, that's a good number for the stock, but I'll be losing money, right? I just want to end off at 40, 41, 42, get my profit and leave. Now, if the stock comes back down to 29, 30, I know exactly what to do, and I can literally buy back whatever I sold. So keep that in mind. If you don't have the best position, for example, me, I don't have the best position, just hold the stock out and watch it do the work for you. Get your charts from TradingView. Okay, look at the resistance levels and let it do the work for you. Boom. So you can either break even or get the profit and leave. Okay. Now, what is the point we need to break? GameStop is a stock where you can literally expect the unexpected from it. Nobody expected it to go all the way up to $300 or share price back in 2021. Okay. Yeah, we expected a squeeze, but the buying power was so significant that we seen a crazy move up. Now look at this crazy move all the way up to 34.36. Again, look at this move today out of nowhere. Okay, we go up 5%. I mean, what is it about the stock? It is the buying power. It's the people that are putting their money into it. It's the content creators, it's the TikTokers, it's the YouTubers that are making so many informational videos talking about RSI and MACD. They're talking about the volume. They're talking about how the RSI is closer to what it was in 2020. And those type of speculations are so valuable because what that does is it just attracts more people to the stock. So what could we expect at this dip right here? People probably bought, right, and went all the way up here, and they see it pull back a little bit, so they bought again, and boom, 34, 30, 33 or 9, almost close to 34. And that's exactly what we need because we need to break 34.36. Here's a graph on TradingView, and I marked the resistance level here, basically where the stock hit and bounced all the way down. Look at those big bearish red candles. Okay. Now you also look at those big bull green candles. Okay. Now what you need to realize is 34.36 is a mark we need to break, and we need to hit that 35.50 to see 40. As simple as that. If we can rip through $35, we're going to see 40. And then after 40, it's all up in the air. It's whether you want to take your profit and go home, or it's whether you want to keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, and then you play the game of just being stuck in a position where you're feeling pressured or where you should sell, but that's part of the game. Okay, don't get too greedy because this level is going to get broken. If not this week, next week. If not next week, next month. And I'll say it over and over again. Inauguration Day will have some type of impact. Ryan Cohen is one of those people that likes Trump. Okay, same with Elon Musk. So what do we expect for Chewy? What do we expect for GameStop? Okay, Ryan Cohen is again in 2020, 2021. Ryan Cohen, remember the name. Ryan Cohen is one of those people who bought extreme position, at least 96% of GameStop, and he threw money down. He was a smart investor, right? He invested in the stock and ended up making so much money, along with Ron Kitty, along with DFW on Reddit. Okay, so this is a screenshot from TradingView again. So remember this resistance level of 34.36. It's a very significant level we need to break either by the end of this week. But if we don't, no pressure. I guarantee inaugural will take care of that level. Okay. So this level is extreme resistance. If we can break it, great. Okay, and if we can break through 34.50, a strong push to 40 will come. So don't stress this. GameStop is on the rise. Okay, seeing stuff like this gives me hope every day. And if I'm here and I have hope, and I've been holding for more than 7 months now. Okay, you can say this is my seventh month. I started in June, went all the way to December. That's six right there, and it's my seventh one holding. So if you're making profit based on this month, based since July, January, that means you got in at the right time. But if you got in absolutely at the wrong time, for example, like me, that's all right too. Okay, take it with a grain of salt and be sure to sell on profit or break even. And next time when you enter GameStop, make sure it's under 30 or at least $29. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. This stock will hit 40, 38 sooner or later. Okay. Any questions, comments, concerns, always let me know. I'm always feeling free to answer anything that you guys have in store for me. Thank you for watching.